Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how to install maps on the screen display. In the beginning, on the screen display, let's go to CarBeat. Now, download CarBeat on the smartphone. Connect your smartphone, and now you can use, for example, Google Maps. Like it's on your own smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.